1965 Plymouth Barracuda, listed in Milton, Pennsylvania for $19,800. This North Carolina car is 98% rust-free and features a 360 cubic inch engine with the factory 4-speed manual transmission. It has a new interior, front disc brakes, new rear leaf springs, and an 8 3/4 rear end. Many new parts have been added, and it runs great. The car has 93,000 miles on it and comes with a clean title in hand. (1965) Oldsmobile Cutlass, listed in Endicott, New York, for $17,500. This Cutlass features a 330 V8 engine paired with the factory 3-speed manual transmission. The car underwent a complete restoration a few years ago and has only about 8,500 miles since the restoration. It has a new battery and carburetor and has recently been serviced and inspected. While it shows typical signs of wear and repairs, it's in excellent condition overall. The seller is not interested in trades. (1966) Dodge Coronet 440, listed in East Providence, Rhode Island for $18,500 or best offer. This classic is powered by a small block 318 LA motor that starts up every time and runs, drives, and shifts great. The paint is decent with some bodywork done over its 60 years, and the floors, jambs, and trunk are solid. The updated interior and headliner are in good shape. It also features a retro aftermarket radio and turns heads as a fun cruiser. Recently worked on in March, but it needs an antenna. Clean title, no trades. (1964) Chevrolet El Camino, listed in Golden Valley, Arizona for $17,000. This El Camino is powered by a small block Chevy V8 and a turbo 350 automatic transmission, both with only 1,000 miles on them. It features fresh two-tone paint, 6 months old, and is equipped with flaming river rack and pinion steering, coil-over shocks all around, front-slotted disc brakes, and an adjustable 4-link rear suspension. The car also has new upper and lower control arms and a Posei rear end. Upgrades include updated gauges, new mag wheels with Toyo tires, and a retro vintage stereo with Bluetooth and kick panel speakers. (1964) Chevrolet Biscayne, listed in Shelby, North Carolina for $16,500 or best offer. This classic two-door is powered by a 350 small block Chevy V8 with a 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. It runs great, shifts smoothly, and has no leaks. Power steering works perfectly, and all lights and electronics function as they should. The car has new front disc brakes, brake lines, and suspension components, including ball joints and bearings. It was repainted at some point and sits on 17-inch modern Chevy wheels with newer tires. The interior features power seats, likely from a Cadillac. A solid, clean, and fun classic. 1970 Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Long Beach, California for $16,000. This classic muscle car is powered by a 351 Cleveland VI8 with a recently rebuilt engine, having about 15,000 miles since. It runs strong with power steering, front and rear disc brakes, an aluminum radiator, and a new carburetor. The floors and trunk are solid with no rust, and the paint, interior, and glass are all in great condition. All gauges, lights, and the Bluetooth Pioneer sound system work perfectly. It comes with a clean California title in the seller's name and valid registration. The price is firm. (1967) Pontiac LeMans, listed in Union, New Jersey for $16,000. This LeMans features a V8 350-block Pontiac engine with a rebuilt motor that has less than 5,000 miles. It's paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The body and paint are rated at 7 out of 10, while the interior is an 8 out of 10. The car is equipped with newer tires, front disc brakes, and all electrical works. Due to sitting, some suspension work may be needed. It comes with a clean Texas title in hand. This classic is ready for the road with a few minor touches. (1965) Chevrolet Impala, listed in Sandy, Oregon, for $16,000. This Impala is equipped with a SBC 350 engine and a 4-speed transmission. It runs, stops, and drives smoothly. Recent upgrades include new disc brakes in the front with a brake booster, a new Edelbrock carburetor, and an aluminum intake. New parts and wiring have been installed, with receipts available. The car also comes with additional new parts ready to be installed. The interior does need some TLC. Last summer, $8,500 were invested into improvements. With only 66,000 miles, this is a solid classic ready for a new owner. (1965) Ford Thunderbird, listed in Rancho, Cucamonga, California for $10,750. This classic has just under 59,000 original miles. It features a 390 cubic inch big block engine Z code, paired with an automatic transmission. The car runs and shifts well, with a very clean and solid body. The interior is in excellent condition, and while there is minor rust on the passenger floor pan, it remains in great shape overall. The title is clean, and the seller can assist with shipping. Not interested in trades? (1960) Pontiac Catalina, listed in Livonia, Michigan for $15,500. This solid car is great for daily driving, featuring a 450 horsepower, 383 Chevy stroker engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. It has chrome reverse wheels, wide white wall tires, and 1960 Buick headlights. The car also sports vintage sun gauges, a lace-painted roof, and a dual-circuit master cylinder. It runs strong, drives straight, and stops well. No trades.